What's up, guys? Just picked up this Zhiyun Crane-M2 for my mirrorless camera here. I've been shooting a lot and been getting more into cinematography and videography, and I picked up the Sony A6300 and just wanted something more portable where I can just kind of use it where my shots can be more stable instead of just using my my hand here. So been looking online a lot and came across the Zhiyun Crane-M2. And what I love about it, it's its portability. So I could use it for my mirrorless camera, but also I could use it on with my phone. So I can just clip my phone here and kind of track from there. So let's get this bad boy opened. So supposedly this has great battery life, so up to 7 hours of battery life. But the beauty about it is that you could also attach certain like portable batteries to it and stuff, and the battery life can extend. What I also like about it is that it has a dedicated app, so you can actually go online, download this app. It's through the Zhiyun website, and you could download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, and it'll actually take you through what kind of camera do you have, what are you using, and it'll connect it straight through either wirelessly, Bluetooth, or straight to the camera. So let's get started, huh? Very good packaging. Feels premium. Ordered it through Amazon. This will run you about $200 on Amazon. And yeah, you can go straight to their website as well. I think they have some discounts happening. I just logged in and I saw, some things like that there. So I don't know, maybe you guys can get a discount there. So if you're interested in this. All right, very nice packaging. So box, pretty good. Nothing in there. Looks like the owner's manual here. Got a QR code. So this one's to watch the tutorials here. So probably just for like how to set it up and all that, because it does take some time to set up. So it's not like you could just attach your camera and you're good to go. You have to actually measure your camera. So depending on the weight of your camera, you have to essentially put it on, and it's gonna kind of like swindle like this. And so once when you place it, you can kind of move it around and go from there, but you have to measure it in order for you to do that. So owner's manual here, very cool. There's a service card, so you can email, telephone, Facebook. So it looks like their help pamphlet here. So you can go to zhiyuntech.com if you have any questions. Yeah, just a typical owner's manual. You have the table of contents here in different languages. That's always helpful. I think this is an Asian company that makes this, so I'm sure they deliver worldwide. So here, yeah, see, so like I was telling you here, this is where you kind of balance out that camera and stuff. So pretty good. This is kind of styrofoam-ish, so not bad. Here you see the logo and the typeface for Zhiyun. And let's see, right here. So you open this up right here. Wow, very nice, very nice. Here you have the gimbal itself. Feels very quality. So like as soon as you touch it, you can feel that it's made with good quality material. This seems like a kind of like a grip, sweat grip here. Supposedly this boasts 6-hour battery life, and like I said, you can connect it right here, this USB-C port. You could have more portability, but also extended battery life. So so here's that measuring what I was telling you about earlier. So from here, you kind of measure it from here using these dials, and you kind of measure your camera on where you want it to be placed. So if either you place your camera here and you lock it in, you're pretty good to go. And then that's where you can kind of shoot from here. So let's see, this turns, let me see. I'm assuming this is the power button here. Let's see, I don't know if it comes with battery. Oh, there you go. So this is an LED OLED panel. So right now we have it on the PF mode, which is pretty much just a shooting from here, right? So you just kind of place the camera here. This is the shooting button, and this is the manual button from here. So pretty good. And this is where you kind of shoot. This is where the locking mechanism is. So you can kind of like hold from here, trigger it here, and you can kind of hold it from there, and you kind of go through the motions there. What I like about it too is that you can lock whatever position you want. And so as you can see here, it was on the lock mode. here's the swindle right here, and you can kind of place it from there. It's on sleep mode now. I got to figure out the in and outs of this. So yeah, so here you go. Here's the motor. So you can run the motor in whichever way you want. And so you can go low, medium, high. And so the high will kind of have like a faster response. So let's say, for example, for those fast scenes where you kind of want to shoot a little bit faster, this motor inside will move a little bit faster from the setting that you set it on. And so let's say, for example, there's a, you're recording like a car passing by or something like that. This will stabilize it in a faster movement. If your hand moves faster, the gimbal will move faster as well. Wi-Fi connectivity, like I was telling you before, you can connect your camera straight through with the gimbal here. And, you can go through there. The history is the list of cameras that you have. So you can put up to 5 cameras for this one. And, you have each list here where you can go through, let's say you have camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, and it'll have that setting for that. So there's that. Let's check out what else is inside of this packaging. So I'm going to turn this off here. There's a kind of like a holding button there. And I'll lock this up here. So that's how you lock it up. Comes with its strap here. So if you want to, hold it here, kind of like a Wii strap. I don't know if you guys know that, but kind of like the Wiimote strap. So you can kind of strap this on here, boop, and it'll give you better control. I wouldn't whip it, because I wouldn't want to do that. Here's why I like it from it as well is this tripod. So you could connect this under here, and let's say, for example, you're taking a selfie, or you want to shoot yourself in that scene, or you just need more stabilization. You can kind of prong these here and set it anywhere. So you set it on the table, place your camera here, and you're good to go. And you could shoot from there. So really love that, especially for those scenes where you could, shoot yourself as well, and, others, you want to take a selfie or a video. So you don't have to have this on, but, it comes with it. Very great choice. Comes with its USB 3.0 to USB-C. So like I said, you can connect that straight here and into, a portable battery. Here are your plates here. So here's plate. The first plate is your phone holder. You can put, anything you want from here. Extends pretty far. Not sure for those larger phones, like the Note 6 or Note, which one? The Note 20. Sorry, I'm not a Android person. So yeah, I don't know how far that extends, but I'm sure it does. But it feels very heavy, very premium. It's made out of metal, and in here is kind of very matte-like, kind of like what you'll find on a mouse pad. And here you'll find another plate here. So this is what you can place right here for your mirrorless camera. So that's pretty much it with the packaging. Really love this because it comes with the measurements here, so you can align it with the ones on the gimbal. So how it depends on how heavy your camera is. I don't have a heavy lens, so this is a pretty lightweight lens. So it depends on the lens that you have. So obviously the larger the lens, the heavier the camera is going to be. So you have to place that in accordance to the measurements of this, so that when you're stabilizing and you're moving the rotors inside of the gimbal, you could have the exact measurements and your shots won't look off. So let's see if there's anything else. Comes with its moisture packs here, and another screw that connects, I'm assuming, under this here, and that's what goes for the for when you connect the camera. This is how you'll essentially do it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's the Zhiyun MK2. So let me know what you guys think about this. The M2. I really love it. I did my research on it. I can't wait to play with this and see what you guys think. Let us know in the comment section below if you guys plan to pick this up. If you guys are videographers, enthusiasts, hobbyists. I'm just a hobbyist, so but I wanted something that it's very portable, that I can take with me anywhere. Thanks, guys. Next one.